Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve square root 4 power 9 plus 6 power 10 plus 3 power 20 is equals to what? So let's simplify this. So 4 we can write it as 2 square whole power 9 plus 6 as 3 times 2 whole power 10 plus 3 power 20 we can write it as 3 power 2 times 10. Now, according to exponent rule, x power m power n, we can write it as x power mn or x power n power n. So it becomes 2 power 9 power 2, we can write. And this as 3 power 10 times 2 power 10 plus this as 3 power 10 power 2. Now, 2 power 9 power 2 plus 3 power 10. 2 power 10 is 2 power 2 times 2 power 9 plus 3 power 10 power 2. Now I am taking substitution A as 2 power 9 and B as 3 power 10. So if we replace this, A square plus this is 2 times A times B, this is B square. Now it becomes a very famous identity, that is A plus B whole square. This with the help of this square root eliminates. Now A plus B. A is 2 power 9, B is 3 power 10. 2 power 9 is equals to 512 and 3 power 10 is 59049. When we add this, we get 59561. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel.